Okay, in this presentation I'm going to look at how to convert from hexadecimal to octal. Now really the intermediate step is to go through binary numbers. So convert the hexadecimal number to a binary number and then convert the binary number to an octal number. So what I'm going to use here is I have a lookup table here, okay, and something like this in the back in your exam script just to show what you're doing. You don't need to go into this level of detail, but just a sort of a smaller version of the lookup table in your exam script would be able to demonstrate that you know what you're doing or demonstrate your workings. So I have decimal there, which is base 10, binary, which is base 2, hexadecimal, which is base 16, octal, which is base 8, and binary with 4 digits, which is again base 2. So essentially 101 here just is 0101 there. So it's just written for 4 digits to correspond properly with the hexadecimal numbers. Okay, make the lookup very easy when using hexadecimal and so on. So the first number is 5e. Okay, so I'll just do this very quickly. 0101, and e is, let's look up E. So there's 0101, and E is 1110 down here. That's E there, okay? 1110. Okay, so that's actually it in binary, okay? That was straightforward enough using the tables. Okay, so that's the answer. That's the binary number there. But what I'm going to do is actually convert this to octal now. So essentially what we want to do is keep going and put this into octal numbers. So what I'm going to do is actually, I have 8 digits here, okay? So this is the first term here, and this is the second term here. So what I'm going to do is start from the right hand side and write out the number again. Okay, so I'll just go in triplets. 1 1 0, okay, 0 1 1, and then 0 0 1. Okay, just to show you what I mean here, just rewrite it like this. This is the first triplet from the right. This is the second triplet. Okay, so that brings us up to 6, and essentially just put in a little 0 here. Okay, just to make it three digits. Okay, so 1 1 0. So let's look up our tables there and see what we should get here. So if 1 1 0, so we can ignore the preceding 0 there, that's actually 6. Okay, 0 1 1, there we are. You can ignore the first 0 there. We just look from the right hand side, just look at the 3 digits there. That's 3. And then finally 1 there. So the answer is 5e in base 16 is equal to, I'll actually just concentrate on the octal number there. That is 136 in base 8. So we'll do a second example here, and this time we're going to use DC base 16. Just as a quick remark, I'm going to be a bit quicker at it, but that should be 220 in base 10. Okay, now DC. So let's use our tables here. So I'm going to be very quick about using the tables here. D and C is 1101 and then 1100. Okay, so that's equal to 1101 111 sorry 1100. Okay, and that's our number in base 2. So let's just write that out starting from the left hand side. 100 011 and 011 again. Okay, so this is our, when we start off with hexadecimal, those are our quartets. Okay, but now we're going to sort of split them into triplets. Okay, and just to bring up the extra digit here, we have a 0 here. Okay, just to be clear about that. Now, this should be fairly straightforward. Once you get the hang of it, this is actually corresponds to the digit of 4, the octal digit of 4. Likewise, 3 and 3. Okay, so let's just double check that. Okay, again, 0, 1, 1. Okay, corresponds to the octal digit 3, and 100 corresponds to the octal digit 4. And again, you can just ignore those preceding zeros. Okay, just concentrate on the 3 digits from the left hand side, on the right hand side. So 334 is our answer. So DC base 16 is equal to 334 in base 8. Okay, we'll do one more. Okay, I was going to do a third one here, 168 to the base 16, but what happened is my pen slipped, so I'll just sort of recap a bit or do a second take here. So essentially I have 168 to the base 16, so 1 is 0001, 6 is 0110, and A is 1010, okay? Now they are written in quartets, as you can sort of see by the division there. So working from the right hand side, I'm going to rearrange them into triplets, or groups of 3, 010, 101, and 101. We have 000 there at the start as well. And essentially what I'm going to do there is just look up my tables. I'll just write this one in very quickly. That will correspond to 2. That corresponds to 5, and that also corresponds to 5. So 16A, 16A to the base 16 is 552 to the base 8. Okay, we'll leave it there. Second time lucky.